So, if you want to start business in Russia, it is very important for you to understand Russia as a country, as an economy, and as a market, and what are the possibilities there. It is very important for you to understand all of that. Without that understanding, whatever we tell you will not make any sense to you, and you will not be able to move forward. So, for this purpose, we have two services that we offer. First is we conduct a consulting session online or in our office. Both are possible. So if you want online, it is possible. And if you want to come to our office, that is also possible. The cost for that is 1500 rupees, 1500. In that, we will describe everything to you and what are the possibilities for you and what you can do there and what are the costs involved. Everything we will discuss for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours. There is no time limit. Next step after that is right now we are discussing about Russia sitting in India. So the next step for you is to go to Russia and see everything from your own eyes. So for that purpose, we conduct a 15-day business tour of Moscow and Moscow region. Moscow region and Moscow is the most industrialized and financial hub of Russia. So it is sufficient to understand that region. So we will take you there for 15 days. We will show you markets, offices, farms, what the people are buying, the life standard, what is the cost involved in starting a business, what are the rents of property. We will talk to different type of consultants there, specific consultants, like for example restaurant, farming, construction, property. So we will talk to different kind of specific business consultants, and by the end of 15 days you will understand what are the options available for you and what exactly you can do and how much it will cost you. So the cost of that tour is 1,25,000 rubles. That is inclusive of flights, accommodation for 15 days, transport for that whole duration. All the visits are included in that, all the education that you will get, all the training, consultant fees, everything is inclusive of 1,25,000 rubles. All our services are designed to educate you, to make you understand everything in the least possible time and least possible money, because people spend lakhs of money and they go to Russia so many times and come back, but they still don't understand anything, because we have built up our knowledge over many years and we work with a lot of different clients, so we know how to do that in very economically and in smallest possible time.